Hello guys, welcome to another review. I'm trying to give a review of this particular Bose headphone. It's called as Bose Quiet Comfort um, 35.2. So I think this is really a good headphone. I have used a lot of headphones, and I would probably say this is the best headphone I have ever owned. So just to give more details about this one, this is again a Bluetooth headset. Uh, let's talk about the controls here. As you can see, like there are like couple of buttons here. There is one button that is for Bluetooth. So if you like just slide it all the way across, you can see it starts, and there are some indicators at the bottom of the headset. So on the right hand side, most of the controls are on the right cup. So this is the right cup and this is the left cup. And as you can see here, it has like a Bluetooth on, and now it also shows the battery indicator. Um, you can also like it has kind of a slide. You can just slide it at one place and again use it, so it will start or turn on the Bluetooth. I'm mostly using iPhone. So as you can see, my Bluetooth is on and it shows as connected. You know, if you can see here, it shows QC is connected. So it's very easy to pair. I mean, we also have some of the apps in what to say Bose app. It is there. It's the app is called as Bose Connect. You can download on Android as well as iPhone. So this is one of the app, and you can also control some of the things from the app as well. So setup wise, it is really straightforward. All I wanted to share with you guys is more about how the bass is, how all the soundtracks sound in this one. I mean, it covers a lot of variety of the songs, and the instruments and all the details about the songs will be clearly heard from this one. That is a very good plus point. Apart from that, the cup size is pretty large. It's like a over the ear headphone. So as you can see, this is the right side, so just we can put it like this. On the left hand cup, though it has a simple control, it also has like a Google voice assistance and everything, and you can also turn on or turn off the noise cancellation, because it does come with the noise cancellation technology. So I would say if you want a nice headphone, it's little costly though. I got it around 25,000 on Amazon, and if you go for the deals, like Diwali deals and all those, you might get it around 20,000 plus or minus. But this is a headphone. If you are a music lover, it is must have. Um, Really, it's must have headphone for all the music lovers out there. um, that's why I'm just recommending this one. You will feel the music at a different level. You also have like a volume up and down and everything. So comfort wise also, it really fits your ears very easily, and it has some kind of logo here and on this side as well. So yeah, this is really a good headphone. I would also rate this around 8 and half out of 10. So if you have some money and you are able to spend it, definitely go for this headphone. You will feel the music definitely. And connectivity wise also, it is really easy to connect. uh, Also on the other hand, it is I mean, the battery backup, right, what we all want from any of the new gadgets nowadays. It's really good. It's around 15-16 hours I get a battery backup. I charge this very less time, like 50-60 minutes it gets fully charged. So yeah, give it a shot guys. Please let me know if you have any other comments in the comment section. Um, the one thing I noticed after reading through the internet and everything, like this button is a little bit, little bit delicate over the period of time. So just try to use it carefully. That will make this headphone last longer. So there is absolutely no other drawback I see, and I have been using this for over a couple of years now. The button is holding pretty fine. So there are people out there who has complained about it, but I haven't seen any issue with that. So having said that, even the Bluetooth range and everything is pretty perfect. There are a couple of other competitors for this one, like Sony and other headphones, but I really love Bose, and the sound quality is definitely to go for. I have checked other headphones in Chroma and other out our retailers outlets, but I really felt that this is the one we should go for. So yeah, this is really an honest review. If you like it, please go for this headphone. It's not a paid commercial or paid review or anything. So give it a shot, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.